In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tick on Google Docs. If you've ever wanted a quick way to mark tasks as done right inside a document on your phone or tablet, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. First, open the Google Docs app on your mobile device. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're signed into the account that has the document you want to work on. Next, open your document. You can choose an existing file from your recent list or search for it. Once it's open, tap anywhere in the body of the document to start editing so the on-screen keyboard and formatting toolbar appear. Now, highlight the text that you want to turn into a list. If you already typed out several lines, like a to-do list with each task on its own line, drag the selection handles to include everything you want in the checklist. If you're just getting started and don't have text yet, place your cursor where you want the checklist to begin, and you can type as you go after the format is set. Look at the toolbar right above your keyboard. Tap the bulleted list icon to expand more list options. This is the button that typically shows a small set of bullet dots. Tapping it reveals additional list styles, which is where the checklist option lives. If you don't see the toolbar immediately, make sure you're in editing mode and that the keyboard is visible. From the expanded list options, select the checklist icon. It looks like a small list with two check marks. As soon as you tap it, your highlighted lines turn into interactive checklist items. If you had a cursor instead of highlighted text, the next lines you type will automatically be checklist items, each on its own line. To tick an item, simply tap the checkbox once. You'll see the box fill to show it's checked, and by default, the text of that item will be crossed out. That visual strike-through helps you see at a glance what's done. If you tick something by mistake, tap the checkbox again to uncheck it, and the strike-through will be removed. A quick tip: when you press return at the end of a checked or unchecked item, Docs creates a new checklist line so you can keep building your list without changing settings. And that's it. You launched Google Docs, opened your document, turned your lines into a checklist, chose the checklist style, and ticked items to mark them as complete. Now you can manage tasks, notes, or action items right inside your document with just a couple of taps.